Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso wakho. uMorris ukhona-ke laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ujima ne-first team njengoba kunama-links ukuthi possibly angajoyina i-Stellenbosch but-ke i-deal ayikakahlangani. What I got izolo ukuthi uMorris babe ne-meeting futhi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs khulunywa nge-move yakhe ukuthi kumele a-move away from i-team, whether uthola i-loan or uthola ini, that would be good for yena ukuthi akwazi ukuthola i-game time. But uMorris i-argument yakhe kuthiwa uthe akakatholi enough game time laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi aziprove yena ukuthi adlale, so ucelile futhi. The only reason uMorris ku-Kaizer Chiefs manje ukuthi the previous transfer window wacela futhi nakhona ukuhlala wayidrag imove yakhona, wacela ukuhlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi yena ufuna more game time ukuthi akwazi ukuziprove. Wathembisa ukuthi given a chance ukuthi adlale uzokwazi ukudeliver for i-team, but-ke ngeke akwazi ukudeliver if akawathola ama-opportunities. Bamgcina-ke lapho uMorris njengoba simbone khona ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Sazi-ke manje ukuthi imove ye-Stelis izofana naleya ku-Durban City na, because of i-Durban City bekumele ajoyine i-Durban City and then imove yakhona yadraga because of uMorris akafuni ukuhamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I think manje abantu bahlalela ama-benefit ku-Chiefs, to be fair. Angeke i-team ithi ayikufuni noma ikubhekele ama-moves angcono ukuthi ukwazi ukudlala i-competitive football, but wena uthi ucela ukuhlala ethimini. Ufuna ulinde i-opportunity yakho. I-opportunity kaMorris masibheka bafethu izovela because of kunama-player amaningi kakhulu laphana phambili. uMorris is not even making the match day squad. Masicabanga i-striker laphana ku-Chiefs asimcabanga uMorris, but-ke yena uyacelela ukuthi ufuna ukuhlala noma uthi ucela ukuhlala laphana ethimini. Uzodlala nini kanjani? Because of angimboni mina uMorris on a personal level edlala laphana. It shows ukuthi lento engangisho ukuthi ukuba nobudlelwane nabantu basethimini or kuma-higher position kuyasiza ngempela, ngoba i-team ishow iyafuna ukurelease because of iyabona ukuthi they are not getting anything from wena, but-ke wena uyacela ukuthi uhlale. Ekugcineni izinto zikufave, ugcine ukwazi ukuhlala laphana ethimini, ugcine uhlale 3 years, but-ke thola ukuthi ethimini ayikho into oyenzayo. Let's hope i-Kaizer Chiefs izoba decisive, ikwazi ukuthatha i-move decisive ukuthi imshiphe off umdlali, whether ba-terminate i-contract yakhe bamnika i-settlement yakhe, cause of ayikho into ayinika i-team, to be honest. Not ukuthi maybe zizama ukum-attack or kanjani, but-ke what has he given i-Kaizer Chiefs so far? Siyazi ukuthi bamsayine ngoJanuary, I think udlale just over 10 games bafowethu. Other than lokho ayikho into ngempela ayinika i-team. No goals. Igoli walishaya elikini, no, elikini akanalo igoli. Yeah, I don't remember uMorris ekore elikini bafowethu. I don't remember shaye assist elikini, but maybe khona i-stats sakhe engisikhohlwayo laphana. Ama-youngsters awu-2 laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Offense Hosang lo enimbonayo, nalo odlala laphana esayidini Ozomena, babalone ku-team yaku-National First Division noma ngithi uMtsipe's Foundation Championship eCastrick Stars. Ozomena-ke una-21. Ozomena bafethu udlale noMdusha balala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ku-development. Kudala edlala nabo, but-ke i-promotion akaze ayithola lo mdlali lo. Even nesikhathi aka-coach nabe bekuthiwa hayi uyeza i-promotion izofika, but-ke nix azange ayithole i-promotion. Sithemba ukuthi laphana ku-Casrick Stars uzokwazi ukuprove athathe ama-opportunities. But mina into engi-disappointed ngayo, I remember reporting about this thing ukuthi u-Arthur Zwane because of uyamazi umdlali, umfuna laphana kumaZulu, uzomnika futhi i-game time, so it was guaranteed ukuthi uzokhotshwa ucoach amaziyo u-Arthur Zwane ozokwazi ukumnika ama-opportunities, but i-Kaizer Chiefs yayiblokha leyo move, yathi umdlali angahambi. Akahambi kanjani umdlali ngoba manje uhlala usho ukuthi uhlala ku-DDC team la angeke akhule khona, akhule as umdlali. Yes, I think i-move yaku-Casrick Stars it's a good move, but angithi umdlali bamdinga kuphi ku-Betway Premiership ukuthi a-understande i-Betway Premiership, athole i-experience ku-Betway Premiership, cause una-21. The next thing Ozomena mengaperform laphana ku-Casrick Stars bazo-terminate i-contract. In fact akanayo ne-long contract ku-Kaizer Chiefs angithi, ngoba basamzama. Into abazoze sokuthiwa sebayamrelease if lesi akaphefomanga ku-Casrick Stars, but abazi ukuthi i-environment ayitholile. I mean, professional resources laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, everything is in order. Uya ku-National First Division, i-team okay, situation yakhona ngiyazi, but ngiyazi ukuthi ayikho i-team enama-facilities njenge-Kaizer Chiefs. So you taking umfana okhula ku-development ne-structure esi-right, i-setup e-right, umfaka ku-National First Division, but-ke bekane-option ukuthi ajoyine i-team yaku-P_S_L. No, P_S_L ne-National First Division into eyodwa bafowethu, just P_S_L igama mani lalama league wo-two. Kube uthatha umfana wamlona ku-Betway Premiership because of bekukhona i-team. Is it because maybe Kaizer Chiefs ayinayo i-relationship no-Arthur Zwane? Is that what we are seeing, ukuthi abanayo i-relationship no-Arthur Zwane? Because of if bebanayo leyo relationship leyo, ngabe bayakwazi ukusebenzisana between between ama-teams lawo wo-two ukuthi bayakwazi ukulona abadlali. So akusiwuye kuphela bafethu lona umdlali laphana ozomena laba be-Chiefs ababalonile laphana ku-Castric Stars. Khona nomdlali ubani uSiphamandla loyo Orlando Pirates bafethu wayeshaya amagoli kakhulu last season. Kwakubhekwa ukuthi u-Pirates bazokwazi ukumpromotha, but-ke zange bampromothe umdlali, naye uthola laphana ku-National First Division ku-Castric Stars. Kusho ukuthi i-Castric Stars they're building ama-relationships are-right nama-big two South African football, which is the Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. That is why they're able to get ama-young talent wakulama teams lawa o-two. So sibafisela inhlanhla abadlali bafethu ukuthi bathole ama-opportunities a-right, badlale babuye be-well equipped, ngoba if bayaflopa noma bayafeyila or even ukuthola i-game time laphana kuzoba inkinga, begcine bethole banganawo ama-teams or i-Kaizer Chiefs iba-release-ile. I mean we've seen this movie before, ukuthi if bayakulona abanashow ngawe, bayakudawutha lapho nalapho. That is why bekulona laphana ethimini. Then let's move to o-goalkeeper balaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs engibabonile, noma makukhishwa iy'thombe laphana sibona o-goalkeeper be-Kaizer Chiefs bonke bafowethu bawu-6 o-goalkeeper be-Kaizer Chiefs, bonke bebejima ne-first team. Kusho ukuthi bashaya ifinder bayazama ukubanika ama-opportunities ku-first team, even abafana be-D_D_C team ukuthi ba-approve. Because of on my left ubani umdlali lona Mokoena, and then goalkeeper we-Kaizer Chiefs number 1 Peterson, and then-ke uNtwari, uTakalani, uBruce Vuma, and then la ekugcineni lo ufake ugqoke number 16 uKarabo Molefe. Yes, uKarabo Molefe. Lo Karabo Molefe Karabo Molefe lo number 16 bafethu sekanabo ma-7 years elaphana ku-first team ku-Kaizer Chiefs, akaze adlale okay, angikhumbuli ngimbone edlala, maybe uke wadlala. Senesikhathi eside kakhulu ku-first team, but akaze ayithole i-opportunity ukuthi adlale. Umdlali lo ngike ngakhuluma ngaye ngasho ukuthi u-super talented, but i-chance akakayitholi laphana ku-first team. Already sekunabadlali uTakalani sejima ne-first team noMokoena. uMokoena-ke futhi yena lo ongapha ekuqaleni ku-left, far left ekuqaleni, unoku-travel-ke ne-first team. Sometimes he makes the match day squad. I remember badlala ne-Golden Arrows or amaZulu nani laphana eThekwini. He flew with the team down to eThekwini. So bayababheka bayaba-assess o-goalkeeper ukuthi bangapromotha muphi, bamnike i-first team contract, because of abane-first team contract lana o-goalkeeper bawu-4 nje kuphela kulesi thombe lesi. Ulona ubani Molefe lo engishoyo ukuthi one of the longest serving players laphana ku-first team, but i-chance akayitholi. uVuma, uNtwari, uPeterson no-goalkeeper coach wabo laphana ku-Chiefs. I don't know man if it makes sense ukuthi ejimini ube nabo goalkeeper bawu-6. I don't know if it makes sense, but I've never seen, angiyazi into ekanje, because normally you focus on o-goalkeeper laba abazidlalayo noma abazodlala. If you're bringing let's say o-goalkeeper abawu-6 ku-first team, loko kuminani noma ngithi kuchazani? Uzofocusa kanje? I mean iligi iyavulwa manje, kusele iy'nsuku what is-16 namhlanje, ngeyi-20 Kaizer Chiefs iyadlala, ngeyi-19 i-Sundowns iyadlala. So ngabe bafocuse ko-goalkeeper laba abafuna abane-sure ukuthi bazocompete, abazodlala. Singakhohlwa-ke bafethu ukuthi izolo i-Kaizer Chiefs i-draw-we nelona ne-Stelis. Lana sibona uPeterson, isithombe uMazilitha, umfana omvenda bafethu. Lo uthatha iy'thombe ezinhle kakhulu, ngibonile beka-broadcaster some of the Kasi games le Kasi lakhe Limpopo noma ngithi eVenda. Uthatha iy'thombe ezi-right kakhulu. La uthathe uPeterson noTitus, bayahleka noma ngithi bayasmayila abafowethu laphana ukuthi bazohlangana futhi. uTitus uloqeda ukukhomitha laphana i-long term ku-Stelis. Kaizer Chiefs versus Stelis ayi-match unpredictable ngishilo izolo, but uPeterson uthe kunzima ukudlala ne-Stelis, noma kuthiwa i-Stelis asikho ku-right position okwamanje, bonakala ngathi asenze kahle, but uyazi ukuthi every time uma bedlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs they wanna win the game. Even but umentionile indaba yama-fans we-Chiefs ukuthi laphana e-Cape Town they come in big numbers. so uyazi ukuthi banayo i-fan base izobe ibabhekile lapha ne-Cape Town. Into okumele bayenze bona as i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi kumele bakwazi ukuwina i-Nedbank Cup, uthi i-focus yabo noma i-motivation yabo ukuthi bakwazi ukudifenda i-title yabo because of le indebe ye-Kaizer Chiefs yibo abayiphethe okwamanje until kuze kudlalwa i-finally kube ne-new champion if they are failing to defend. Khona ngibuzile uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ngiyibona ine-chance ukuthi i-defend i-Nedbank Cup. I would say this out loud, ama-chance mancane kakhulu ukuthi i-Chiefs i-defend i-Nedbank Cup, but konke kulele ekutheni ba-convert ama-opportunities wabo abazowathola kulama matches lawo abazowadlala. Niyabakhumbula bafethu abafana be-Kaizer Chiefs boyithu uMaboy, uSirino beba ku-Sundowns beba-dominator la. Umbuzo wami yazibona uma ngibona lesi sithombe ngivele ngacabanga ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ibathole late na, cause yabona la uSirino he was untouchable, he was strong, direct, amagoli wakhe ku-Sundowns maningi kakhulu bafethu uSirino, even nama-assist I think over 70 makuhlanganisa ko-2 the last time I check for i-Sundowns nje kuphela, but for i-Chiefs sobona ukuthi uzocontribute kangakanani because sesike sakhuluma ngayo ukuthi i-contract yakhe iyaphela, indaba zokuyi-renew-a azikho noma zikakabi khona. Lebohang Maboy simbonile emagamini a-few before sivala kuma-official games ukuthi he was exciting, so there's still more to come from yena uMaboy. Is it uMabuye or uMaboy? Yeah, still more to come from umfethu laphana, sobona ukuthi ama-opportunities uzothola ngakanani, but-ke ithalente awulithengi e-grocery store, is super talented. Into engiyithandayo futhi usebenza kanzima laphana for yena, and laphana ku-midfield uyakwazi ukudlala ukuvala almost zonke iy'khala, whether umfuna ku-attacking or ku-defensive or assist i-defend, but normally uyi-central, just ukuthi central midfielder uyakwazi noku-attack-a, but i-Sundowns iyamswitch-a ngithi ama-position ukuthi adlale enye i-position or yamenza ukuthi abe versatile umdlali. Before ngikhohlwa ngingeneni kuNtwari, uNtwari njengoba simbonile laphana ejimini part of goalkeeper abawu-6 ku-Kaizer Chiefs, lokhu kungachaza ukuthi i-recovery process of phase yakhe seyizophela. Asazi-ke ngoba sokusele I think 2 weeks ukuthi ivale i-transfer market noma ngithi i-transfer window, ukuthi uyahlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs or uzohamba, or bebasibonisa laphana ukuthi kunama-possibility through isithombe ukuthi banabafana abawu-6 ukuthi maybe if they can promote oyedwa then bazokwazi ukuba nabo-official goalkeepers abawu-3, ngingambali uNtwari, and then uNtwari bazokwazi ukumhambisa ajoyine lama-team lawa a-few ambhekile bafethu ukuthi bayafuna ukumsayina, but they are not willing to pay le mali le efunwa i-Kaizer Chiefs because of lo mdlalo onesikhathi eside engadlali laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, akanayo i-game time, so it makes sense ukuthi amanye ama-team angafuni ukukhipha u-5 million ukuthi asayine uNtwari, to be honest bafethu, noma kuthiwa uyi-Rwandan international but akanawo ama-matches enough. I think i-Chiefs if ayimfuni ngempela uNtwari the way we're getting the news, ifuna ukumhambisa, and then the last transfer window ifailile, why banga-terminate i-contract yakhe bamnika i-settlement? Is it maybe inkinga yemali, or they don't wanna just to give abantu ama-settlement because of i-settlement nayo uyayi-negotiate ukuthi okay usalelwe i-2-year contract la, le 2-year contract ithi kumele sikukhokhele in 2 years, maybe ngenze example asithi 3 million, sina sokunika i-1.5 million is-terminate i-contract yakho, so uzohamba ufune ujoyine any team of your choice. Uyazi ukuthi ku-covered as umdlali, baningi abadlali ama-contract wabo abawacisha kanje. Singazi-ke ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs icabangani ngoNtwari. Same thing noMorris, lento engiyishilo kuMorris ukuthi bangayi-terminate bamnike i-settlement ahambe ubhuti ayozama somewhere, uzobuya ngelinye ilanga if kuyenzeka ukuthi abuye, mengabuyi akabuyi, then indaba yakhe ne-Kaizer Chiefs iphele kanjalo. But I don't think uMorris, ngicabanga ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs i-TS Galaxy uTim Sukazi wawathengisela laphana uNtwari. I remember ekhuluma ngaye kahle kakhulu, yasho ukuthi u-goalkeeper good, i-Kaizer Chiefs ine-luck ukuthi ithole lo goalkeeper lona, and ba-make sure ukuthi abayidureli i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uyakwazi ukumaketha ama-player wakhe laphana ubaba uTim Sukazi. uNtwari, I don't see him staying ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Well, I don't see him contributing that much ethimini. That is why kumele bamenzele iplan ukuthi bamshiphe out. Settlement important, kumele bazame ukunegotiate i-settlement, ukuthi inkinga ukuthi amanye ama-player vele athi they won't negotiate for i-settlement. If bayamhambisa kumele bamnike yonke imali outstanding ku-contract yakhe, even if uselelwe yi-2 years umuntu uyifuna yonke iphelele, not i-half because of i-settlement. So Vala-ke ngumfana exciting kakhulu bafethu uNoah Buhloko. Sithi Buhloko, yes. I-Kaizer Chiefs izobhekana nenkinga enkulu yokuzama ukumprotect umfana noma ukumgcina lapha eNaturena. Why? Because of kunama-teams ambhekile umfana even overseas because of super exciting. Yibo abafana laba bekumele babanike ama-first team contract bafethu. Una-17 umfana but bayasaba ukumbeka laphana ku-first team. Whereas amanye ama-team avele apromote umuntu, for example amaZulu apromote umfana ona-16 laphana. So i-Chiefs isabani ngempela ukupromote umfana cause influence anayo, uyi-superstar like sonke, akekho umuntu obukela ibhola ongazi ukuthi uyi-star. Ku-Chiefs baningi abafana abayi-star but bagcine indaba yabo iphelele emoyeni bangayindawo because of bayasaba ukubapromotha laphana ku-first team. Uzozwa kuthiwa abekho ready, kumele banikwe isikhathi. So I mean it's angazi ukuthi benze izinto kanjani, but isithemba ukuthi uShepherd uzokwazi uku-advise i-first team because of sika-more involved nayo kakhulu. Uzokwazi ukuba-advise ukuthi kumele bapromote abafana laphana abaningi. Forget kancane ukusayina ama-player amaningi afika ngama-big salaries angayenzeli lutho i-team. Khona ama-stars laphana ku-D_D_C team ukuthi ngeke elevate igame yabo if they won't be able to elevate their game if abekho ku-first team. Only first team engaba-challenge ukuthi bakwazi ukukhula, but-ke wena uthi abekho ready, that's the king of the problem. But yeah, i-agency yakhe ithe izozama ukumhambisa umfana noma ukumthengisa this thing is called, what is this word konje before ngilikhohlwa, they will try to shop him around, bathi bayambona ukuthi angakwazi ukudlala e-Europe kwamanye ama-league, bathi ngeke abe yi-center striker because of akanayo i-physique that much, but angaba yi-second striker and akwazi ukudlala as i-creative midfielder ukuthi uyakwazi uku-create-ela i-team ama-opportunities. Highly rated teenager, bayasaba ukumpromotha, but ngicela ukuzibamba lana bafethu ezaku-Kaizer Chiefs iney'ndaba nje. Ngizobuya nezinye bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi i-page liyakhula.